In this lesson, we want to practice change of subject of formula tichishandisa that question which was written in ZIMSEC paper 1 November 2015. Question yedu iri kuti make A the subject of the formula, then we are given the particular formula. Formula yedu iri kuti chi? Iri kuti 1 over A plus 1 over B is equal to 3. That is the formula we have. We want to make A the subject of formula. Satofanga utanga taona kuti A yacho mbori papi and A yatruda the ino-ish. So as we do this, tichadzinga zvino, making a subject of formula kudzinga zvino mathematically. Saka chada kutanga tabvisa 1 over B ku left kwaari uko achienda ku right, kureva kuti acha transfer like this. But ku transfer uku mathematically zvorota anochinja from being a positive to a negative. Saka inova chi 1 over A is equal to 3 minus 1 over B, like that. Then ngatitange tasolve ku right hand side kana kuti ku right tisati ta continue. Saka panapa takuti 1 over A is equal to, pana 3 panapa tinogona kuita a fraction, and the easiest way of doing that kungoti over 1. Then the long form method panapa yeku subtract ma fractions aya kutsvaka the common denominator yatinogona kuwana simply by multiplying ma denominators. So techiti 1 times B, but I prefer kunyora yakadai, so yakati 1 B say is. Saka tikati 1 E into the common denominator, ma 1 anochekana posara B. B times 3 inovachi 3B. Tikati B into the common denominator, ma B anochekana posara 1. 1 times minus 1 then the minus 1. Kureva iko kuti 1 over A iri equal to 3B minus 1 over 1 times B then dB. Say iso. Saka padai manje toita sei ndo wa mvunzo. Tichashandisa cross multiplication. Saka since kuno kuti ngori ne 1 fraction, then ku right tine 1 fraction, zvaka separate wana equal sign, ndo ma conditions atinogona kushandisa cross multiplication on. Saka tichaendesa A kunoko like this, but 3B minus A ngechidzikawo chiyoko. Then tichada kuzoendesa B kuside uko like this. Saka I prefer kuisa ma arrow aya kuti andiudze zvandoda kuita. Saka A anotanga aenda uko, so this is equal to A, andika? But A pari kuenda uko 3B minus 1 arubvadzika, 3B minus 1. Remember takataura kuti kana tiine ma expressions tinofanga kuma isa mu brackets to make life easier for us like this. Then B uno yari kukwidza achienda ukachino multiplier 1, saka inova 1 times G times B, say izvi. Let me put a line pano so that tinokondinya on the side there. Saka B akwidza aka multiplier 1, this denominator yakwidza aka multiplier that numerator. A yakwidza kunoku but ichichinjana ne bracket ra 3B minus 1. Kureva kuti therefore A is actually equal to B over 3B minus 1. And this is our final answer. Tikadai so tinenge tatopedza. So this is how it is done. Kana mine ma questions, don't hesitate to ask muma comments or on the numbers we are going to provide soon. If you want to join our school, the school is the Math Hub Mathematics Institute Nasendi. It's an online mathematics school where we teach ZIMSEC, Cambridge and other examination boards. Tinodzidzisa ordinary level mathematics. We also teach advanced level pure mathematics and other variants of mathematics. To join us, WhatsApp us on the number +263 71 521 3310. kana muri muZimbabwe it simply becomes 071 521 3310. The other issue is if you have questions on this particular question or any other mathematics questions, you can WhatsApp us on that number again. Thank you and muwe neso rakanaka.